Hi everyone, welcome back to Infinite Grace Daisy Art. Easter is just around the corner, and if you're looking for unique and thoughtful gift ideas, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing some beautiful printable Easter cards and PNG designs perfect for gifts, decorations or even small business projects. And the best part, they're instant downloads, so no waiting for shipping. Let's jump right in. So why go with printable Easter gifts? Well, they're budget-friendly, eco-friendly and super versatile. There's no waiting, you just print and go. Print at home or use a professional service. So many uses: cards, crafts, decorations, and even small business products. Whether you need a last-minute greeting card, a cute PNG for DIY projects, or stickers for Easter baskets, these printables make Easter gifting easy and fun. Let's start with printable Easter cards. These are perfect if you love adding a personal touch to your Easter wishes. Just print, fold, and write a heartfelt message inside. All of these instant download cards are available in my Etsy shop, so you can grab them anytime, print them at home, and they're ready to go. Next up is the PNG designs. If you love crafting or run a small business, these are perfect for print-on-demand projects, DIY gifts, and more. Ways to use these PNGs includes printing on Easter t-shirts or mugs, create stickers for Easter baskets, make DIY gift tags for Easter treats, or use in social media posts or digital invitations. These PNGs are high-quality transparent files, meaning you can resize them for any project. Whether you're crafting for fun or selling products, they make it easy to add an Easter touch to anything. I hope you found the perfect Easter gift idea today. If you love these printable designs, check out my Etsy shop, Infinite Grace Daisy Art. You'll find all these Easter cards and PNGs ready for instant download. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more printables and creative design ideas. Comment below, which Easter design is your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.